All right, what we're going to do right now is we're going to do the second rug of packet number 3. The first one we just brought in a picture of a rug as an object, and it automatically just created our rug. So what we're going to do now is to create a rug to a specific size, and then we're going to put an image on top of it. The reason why you do that is because sometimes you want a rug that's a certain size, like 6 by 8 or 4 by 6, or there's standard sizes that rugs come in. So to do that, outside of your model, what you're going to do is click and drag a triangle. It can be any size, and then down here in the dimensions, I'm going to type 6 apostrophe for 6 feet, comma 8 feet. So it's going to create a rectangle that's 6 feet by 8 feet. All right, now this is still flat, so I got to remember rugs have a height to it, so I got to pull it up just a little. I'm going to go up like ½ an inch. So 0.5 quotation, or you can put 1 divided by 2 quotation, so that's ½ an inch. So now what I'm going to do is import my picture, and I'm going to put it on top of this. This rug is perfectly sized if I want a 6 foot by 8 foot rug, so I'm going to go File, Import, and I'm just going to use the same picture, the blue rug, and I'm going to say Use as Texture. I'm going to say Import. And click and drag and place it. So you can see in here the rug's not quite where I need it, and there's like a repeating pattern. What I can do is right click and say Texture Position, and these are free pins, and I can click on them and pick them up, and I can move them. And the cool thing about this is because now when I click and I drag and I move it, it stretches the corner of the picture to the corner of the rug, and I can just repeat this pattern again. And notice that there's a blue line. The blue line indicates kind of like when I will be in alignment with the other one. So I'm going to click here, look at the point. If I like it, then I'm going to click and drag to the corner and just repeat this process of moving in the pin and stretching it to the corner. And one more. And notice those blue lines let me know that I'm clicking, and it will be kind of exactly where I want it. And I'm going to take a look at it. Click off of it. If the rug looks good, you're set to go. The one thing you got to do before you move your rug inside is right click on it and make it a group. Okay? And that way when you mouse over it with the move tool, you should see these little arrows, and I know it's a group, so then I can move it in. Again, if you get that flashing, it's because I clicked on the top, and the top surface of the rug is at the same surface as the floor. So if I go underneath of it, I can see that the rug, it was underneath the floor. So now it's on top of the floor, it's sitting on the floor, and that's perfect. So this one is perfectly sized to 6 foot 8. If I decide, hey, I don't like this, I can download a new image, and I can say edit group, see how everything else grows, and then I can say texture, edit texture image, or sorry, not that. I can go File, Import, and just select a new image. I don't have one, but you could just change the rug image. All right, so that's how you do packet number 3. Oh, don't forget, right click. Make sure you close the group after you're done editing it just by clicking off. I can see here, this is the edit of a group mode. Everything else is grayed out. I just click off of it, and it's a group. If you're wondering if something is a group, you can just hover over with the move tool. You should see those little plus arrows, and those let you know that they're a group. All right, remember, edit everything outside of the room, make it a group, and then bring it in. And that's how you do these. Thanks.